All right, those were our chicken thighs in our muffin tin. I'm now gonna bring in my Sweet Baby Ray's. We're gonna add a generous amount of Sweet Baby Ray's onto each pieces of our chicken thighs. And I did wash my hands after placing our chicken in there, so we are all sanitary there. So let's just make sure these get nice and coated. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you prefer, but I love me some Sweet Baby Ray's. Now I'm gonna just grab my little brush and make sure that these are fully coated in that barbecue. And if you feel like they need a little bit more, you can go in with another squirt of that barbecue sauce, but these are gonna be so delicious. And I did grease my muffin tin if you were concerned about that. So let's go ahead and get these ready. All right, and these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 50 minutes. All right, we just pulled our chicken out of the oven. We did have it in there closer to 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna bring in my Colby Jack cheese, and while our chicken is still hot, we're gonna grab our slices of cheese. We're gonna break it off into 4 pieces so that we can get a slice of cheese on each piece of chicken, just like so. And as it's sitting there, it should get a little melty and just perfectly delicious on top of our chicken. You can use whatever cheese you like. Colby Jack is my household favorite, so we had to choose the Colby Jack. But let's just get our chicken covered in cheese. Yummy. All right, we have our cheese on there. We're gonna just place it to the side so it can get nice and melty. I have here my savory buttery rolls, Hawaiian rolls, and we're just going to get those out. And I did already pre-cut this, but let's remove it from the box because we don't need the box. And then we can take the tops off of our rolls, just like so. All right, and now that that cheese is nice and ooey and gooey and melted, we can grab our chicken thighs, and we're gonna put 1 thigh on each of our little rolls, just like so. And I did grease my muffin tin, so these are coming out super perfect. They shrank to such a great size for these Hawaiian rolls, and you can toast your rolls if that's your style, but I like my buns as is. So let's get these on here. All right, last one on there. We got some nice drippings from the barbecue sauce. Now I'm coming in with our cooked bacon, and we are gonna add bacon to our sliders. It does not get any better than barbecue chicken and bacon with that delicious cheese. Oh, my mouth is watering. I cannot wait to give these a try. And you can add as little or as much bacon as you like onto each slider, but come on. These are coming out way too good.
Well, I'm so excited to give this a try.
Beautiful. Now, for some fresh stuff, I have some shredded lettuce, and we are just going to go a little crazy with the shredded lettuce. Make sure all of our sandwiches, our little sliders, get a healthy amount of lettuce. And that melted cheese is helping that bacon stay into place. Life is good. Everything's coming together for this perfect little barbecue easy lunch. All right, and we are adding some red onion to this as well. This is optional. If your family doesn't like onion, you can skip it. But my family loves onion, we love chicken, we love bacon, we love everything that's happening here, which is why this is a game changer. We're just gonna add a healthy amount. I only cut up about 1/4 of an onion. We don't need too much. Now, no sliders complete without a sauce, and we are a ranch family, so we are adding a drizzle of ranch. So we have our barbecue, chicken, bacon, ranch sliders. Oh, and look at that drizzle. Ken's knows how to do it. Yum! All right, let's put our tops right on there. Make sure not to touch your sauce. And we have the most stacked game day lunch. All right, so let's just kind of cut our buns so that we can make sure we get a perfect slider out. Woohoo! Let's give this a try. It is so stacked. That chicken is cooked beautifully. You guys are gonna love this.